Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. For today's video, we have here a small tree that grows tall and bear fruits. This tree is called the Manila tamarind because it looks like a tamarind. But in Western country, this is called Madras thorn. In the Philippines, it is called kamachili. This fruits is very high in fiber and rich also in essential vitamins and minerals. It is also an antioxidant. It boosts immunity and reduces inflammations and improve also the digestion. This fruit is very seldom seen in fruit stand or in any supermarket. I hope you could try this fruits because this fruit is delicious. It's not so sweet and not also so sour. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.